everyone, happy November and welcome back to the Limoneira YouTube channel. I'm Megan Roosevelt, a registered dietitian nutritionist, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira's One World of Citrus. It's November, it's the month to celebrate Thanksgiving and really reflect on all that we are grateful for. Friends, family, and also really delicious, yummy food. All this month, I'll be sharing with you Thanksgiving dishes that are healthy, they're delicious, and they could not be made possible without Limoneira Citrus. Today, I'm sharing with you how to make butternut squash quinoa patties with an orange cranberry sauce. This is a great appetizer. It's also a great main. It's so delicious, and here's how you make it. To make these butternut squash quinoa patties, you will need cooked butternut squash, cooked quinoa, diced onion, fresh basil, sea salt, garlic powder and black pepper, coconut oil, and 1 egg or a vegan egg replacer. In a large bowl, mash the butternut squash. Then add the quinoa, onion, seasoning, coconut oil, and egg, and stir together. Form into 4 patties and fry or bake in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. To make the cranberry sauce, you will need a Limoneira navel orange, coconut sugar, and fresh or frozen cranberries. Juice the whole orange and add juice to a small pot with the coconut sugar and cranberries, and then simmer for 15 minutes. Serve the butternut squash patties warm with a few tablespoons of cranberry sauce and fresh basil garnish, and then enjoy. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope that you love this recipe. You can view or print the recipe by clicking the link below in the video description box. And don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus when you're at the grocery store shopping for your Thanksgiving meal. As mentioned, all this month, I'm sharing Thanksgiving dishes featuring Limoneira Citrus. Every Friday, a new video goes up, so make sure you come back to the Limoneira YouTube channel to check out our new videos. And the best way to never miss a video is to make sure that you're subscribed, so click that little red subscribe button. You can stay connected with Limoneira also on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. Happy November, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!